Oh my god. Today we have another video from iStorm. So here I buy some things from my iPhone. The most non-interesting thing is a USB-C 20 watt power adapter. Bro, that's 25 euros. Crazy. Just for adapter. I'm shocked. I'm for real shocked, bro. That's too much, I think. I think that Apple production is too Apple things are very expensive. The most interesting thing here is a MagSafe. Here we can charge 3 devices like iPhone, Apple Watch, but I'm not gonna buy Apple Watch, and AirPods. So let's unbox this thing. So guys, I like this rock. Okay, let's start from this. How I'm gonna pitch? Come on. Okay, it have like this. It make me a little bit easier. Apple production. Come on, bro. So guys, I think you see there are one problem. This is the problem. I used my old phone's USB because this USB, look at the problems now. This USB is both USB-C, but when I'm using the iPhone's adapter, this adapter is just 20 watts. So it doesn't work. This thing need a minimum 60 watt adapter. So my Realme's adapter was 65 watts. I hope you see. Yeah, it's 65 watts. So now it's working normally. But when I'm using iPhone's adapter and this thing, it doesn't charging my phone. So yeah, this thing we don't even need it. That's a big minus for this aluminum thing. But it looks very cool. It looks pretty cool. And yeah, also we can here charge your AirPods or something like this, Apple Watch. But finally it looks cool. So guys, in conclusion, I give 50 euro to this, but it's not even working normally. I cannot use it with the adapter of the iPhone because this adapter is too slow. But the other one, of my Realme one, it doesn't have the USB Type-C from the both sides. It's just one side Type-C. So yeah, a little bit strange situation, but it looks cool. It looks pretty good. The magnets are good. It's not falling. Very good, I think. And this is the most important, and it looks beautiful, I think. But of course, don't buy this shit. It's you're just giving money for nothing. Maybe if you have AirPods together and Apple Watch, if you have this all 3 things, just buy the better MagSafe, which have 3 all of things, big one. But I'm not gonna buy Apple Watch. We checked this, we ended this video. It was a little bit short video, but it was cool. Thank you guys for